Sona Comstar feud. Kapur family dispute heads to court. Indian auto industry news. A bitter family feud threatens to tear Sona Comstar apart, and it's headed to court. In a shocking turn of events, the fight for control over Sona Comstar, a leading auto component business, is set to escalate into a full-blown court battle. The Kapur family, who've been at the helm of the company since its inception, are now at odds with each other following the sudden demise of Sunjay Kapur, the company's former chairman. At the center of the controversy is Rani Kapur, Sunjay's mother and the former chairperson of Sona Comstar, who has made some explosive allegations against the company's current leadership. Rani Kapur's grievances, a tale of coercion and betrayal. Rani Kapur's troubles began shortly after her son's death on June 12th. While still grieving, she claims to have been coerced into signing documents that would have far-reaching consequences for the company. In a letter to the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, she alleged that certain individuals were trying to usurp the Kapur family legacy and had forced her to sign documents against her will. But here's where it gets even more complicated. Rani Kapur also claims to hold majority ownership in the Sona Group, courtesy of her late husband's will from 2015. The annual general meeting, a turning point. The tensions within the Kapur family came to a head at Sona Comstar's annual general meeting, AGM, on Friday. Despite Rani Kapur's objections, the company went ahead with the meeting, citing regulatory timelines and applicable laws. In a statement, Sona Comstar said that Rani Kapur was not a shareholder of the company and therefore had no right to dictate the course of the AGM. But Rani Kapur's lawyers are not buying it, and the stage is now set for a bitter court battle. The stakes are high. Sona Comstar is no ordinary company, valued at a whopping 29,186 crore. It is the flagship of the Sona Group and a leading player in the auto component industry. The promoters own a significant 28.02% stake in the company, primarily through Aureus Investment Private Limited. With so much at stake, it's no wonder that the Kapur family is fighting tooth and nail for control. A web of allegations and counter-allegations. As the drama unfolds, both sides are trading allegations and counter-allegations. Rani Kapur has accused the company of gross illegalities and misconduct, while Sona Comstar has denied any wrongdoing. The company has also defended its decision to appoint Sunjay Kapur's widow, Priya Sachdev Kapur, as a non-executive director, citing regulatory approvals and due process. The road ahead, a long and winding court battle. With Rani Kapur set to approach the High Court and the National Company Law Tribunal, the stage is set for a long and winding court battle. As the Kapur family feud continues to escalate, one thing is certain: only time will tell who will emerge victorious. But one question remains: what will be the cost of this bitter family feud to Sona Comstar and its stakeholders? Will the company be able to weather the storm? Or will it succumb to the pressures of a protracted court battle? Only time will tell. So what do you think? Should Rani Kapur be allowed to exercise her rights as a shareholder, or has she overstepped her bounds? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Inside the Sona Comstar family feud, drama unfolds at AGM. A sudden passing, a storied company, and a family at odds. This is the unfolding drama surrounding Sona Comstar. If you've been wondering how a widely respected automotive technology firm could become the center of a familial storm, it all stems from events that took place after its late chairman's untimely death. But here's where it gets controversial. Some family members believe crucial decisions are being made at a time when the grieving process isn't even complete. Sona Comstar, a company carrying an estimated 30,000 crore legacy, became the focus of speculation earlier this year when its chairman, Sunjay Kapur, tragically passed away in June at the age of 53. He reportedly suffered a cardiac arrest while playing polo, leaving questions about the company's direction and leadership. On June 23, in the wake of this tragedy, the board of directors appointed Jeffrey Mark Overly as the new chairperson, and Sunjay's wife, Priya Sachdev Kapur, was brought on as an additional director in a non-executive capacity. Not everyone accepted these changes quietly. Tensions escalated on a Friday when Sunjay Kapur's mother, Rani Kapur, previously chairperson of the Sona Group, objected to the timing of the company's AGM, annual general meeting. She felt it was held too soon and claimed she was pressured into signing certain documents. These documents, according to Rani, remain largely unrevealed to her, fueling suspicions that control of the company is at stake, just when the family is still in mourning. Despite the objections, the AGM went forward. In that same meeting, Priya Sachdev Kapur was formally appointed as a non-executive director. Many observers are asking, have all voices been heard, or is the legacy of Sona Comstar being reshaped behind the scenes? And this is the part most people miss. The emotional toll on the family cannot be overlooked, especially when a high-value, well-established business is undergoing critical transitions at a time of sorrow. Rani Kapur, who was married to Sona Group's former chairman, Sunjay Kapur, has warned that individuals may be taking advantage of a chaotic moment. In her letter dated July 24th, she expressed deep concern that the rush to hold an AGM on July 25th could be more than just an administrative formality. Some argue the meeting was a routine business necessity, but others see it as a strategic move that marginalizes certain family stakeholders, raising larger questions about corporate governance within family-owned enterprises. What do you think? Is it fair for a grieving family to be expected to make major corporate decisions so soon? Or is it simply part of the fast-paced nature of modern business? Share your perspective on this controversial issue. Your insights. Do they align with Rani Kapur's apprehensions? Or do you believe the company is taking responsible measures to safeguard its future? We invite you to join the conversation and express whether you agree, disagree, or have a completely different viewpoint. Who is Priya Sachdev Kapur? Inside the 30,000 rupees Sona Group succession battle. Meet Priya Sachdev Kapur, the woman at the helm of a 30,000 crore empire amidst a family feud. In the heart of the swirling controversy lies Priya Sachdev Kapur, a name now synonymous with the high-stakes battle over a colossal rupees 30,000 crore business empire. The spotlight on Priya intensified on July 25th, following a dramatic letter from Rani Kapur, mother of Priya's late husband Sunjay Kapur, to the board of the Sona Group. Rani, claiming majority ownership, accused certain individuals, widely believed to be Priya, of misrepresenting the family's interests and coercing her into signing crucial documents post her son's demise. Who is Priya Sachdev Kapur? Born into a prominent Delhi family, Priya is the daughter of Ashok Sachdev, a well-known automobile dealer. With an academic background that includes a degree in mathematics and business management from the prestigious University College London, UCL, and a brief stint at UCLA, Priya's early career was marked by her success in the modeling world. She also dabbled in Bollywood with a cameo in the 2005 film Neil and Nikki. Today, Priya holds significant positions as the non-executive director at Sona Comstar and a director at Arias Investment, the investment arm of the Kapur family. Her professional journey began in the mergers and acquisitions department at Credit Suisse First Boston in London. Upon returning to India, she ventured into various sectors, including automotive retail, insurance, fashion, and e-commerce. Priya's entrepreneurial spirit led her to found TST International Marketing Private Limited and co-create Rock & Shop, one of India's pioneering luxury e-commerce platforms. She also oversees Arias Polo, a team established by her late husband, Sunjay Kapur. A life under the spotlight. Priya's personal life has often been the subject of media attention. Her first marriage to American hotelier and businessman Vikram Chatwell, though initially glamorous, ended in a divorce after 5 years, following a challenging custody battle over their daughter, which Priya won. In 2017, she married Sunjay Kapur, a prominent figure in the Indian automobile industry, and formerly married to Bollywood actress Karisma Kapoor. Tragically, Sunjay passed away in June 2023 from a heart attack during a polo match in England, leaving Priya to navigate both personal grief and a complex legal battle. The controversy unfolds. As the dust settles on Sunjay's untimely death, Priya finds herself at the center of a contentious legal dispute over the control and succession of the Sona Group. With Rani Kapur's allegations casting a shadow over Priya's role within the company, the situation promises to be a high-profile legal showdown. The question on everyone's mind: who will emerge as the rightful steward of this vast business empire? This unfolding drama not only highlights the complexities of family dynamics in the realm of big business, but also puts a spotlight on Priya Sachdev Kapur's resilience and the challenges she faces. As the narrative continues to evolve, all eyes are on Priya to see how she will navigate these turbulent waters. And this is the part most people miss. Beyond the legal battles and public scrutiny, Priya's story is also one of personal strength and adaptability. From her early days in modeling to her current role at the helm of significant business ventures, Priya has consistently demonstrated her ability to thrive in diverse and challenging environments. As the dispute over the Sona Group unfolds, it remains to be seen how Priya will leverage her skills and experiences to shape the future of the empire. Will she emerge as a formidable leader, or will the controversies prove too daunting? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, Priya Sachdev Kapur's story is far from over.